Welcome to this session on nouns, current patterns and correct usage. Grammar is the foundation of all effective communication. In this module, we'll break down types of nouns and how to use them with precision. Whether you're a student, professional, or exam aspirant, this is for you. Let's begin by understanding what a noun really is. Let's begin with the basics. Let's start from the basics. What exactly is a noun? A noun is simply the name of a person, place, thing, idea, or feeling. Some nouns are tangible like book or river, others are abstract like freedom or truth. Recognizing the difference helps you use them clearly and correctly. Let's look at how these nouns appear in real-world usage. Proper and common nouns. There are two major types here, proper and common nouns. Proper nouns name specific entities, like India, Amazon, or John. They always begin with a capital letter. Common nouns are general and often need determiners, like a doctor, the river. Avoid articles before proper nouns unless used comparatively. Mastering this distinction builds grammatical accuracy. Collective nouns. Collective nouns represent a group seen as one, like jury, audience, or team. These can be singular or plural based on context. For example, the team is winning, seen as one unit. Or the team are arguing, seen as individuals. This flexibility makes collective nouns tricky but powerful. Material nouns, the three sources. Material nouns refer to physical substances or matter. They usually come from nature, animals, or plants, like gold, wool, or cotton. These are mostly uncountable and used without articles. For example, we say gold is precious, not a gold. Remember, clarity depends on treating them correctly in context. Abstract nouns, feeling and state. Abstract nouns describe things you cannot touch, like feelings, ideas, or states. Words like bravery, anger, or childhood fall under this category. They are generally used in singular form. But be careful, abstract nouns often get misused or confused in expression. Always consider meaning and clarity when using them. Singular and plural, hidden traps. Some nouns change their meaning when pluralized, these are hidden traps. Take work versus works, one means effort, the other can mean creations or factories. Customs may refer to traditions, or border formalities. These changes depend heavily on context. So always pause and think before using plural forms. Understanding gender in nouns. Nouns are also categorized by gender, masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. King and queen are clear examples of masculine and tricky plural-only nouns. Some nouns look plural but are treated as singular, like news or wages. For instance, we say the news is important, not our. Others like scissors or trousers always appear plural. It's important to know these exceptions, they trip up even fluent speakers. Focus on usage patterns for correct application. Nouns with fixed singular form. These nouns always stay singular, even if they seem plural. Examples include furniture, poetry, advice, and luggage. You can't say many advices, instead say many pieces of advice. Use quantifiers like some, much, or a little to express quantity. Clarity depends on using the right phrase structure. Double meaning nouns. Some nouns carry different meanings in singular and plural forms. Return may mean coming back, but returns could mean profit. Work means task, while works can refer to creative pieces or factories. Understanding these subtle shifts is key. Always consider the surrounding sentence to use them properly. Count or uncount. Some nouns cause confusion when counting. For instance, don't say an urgent work, say an urgent piece of work. 5 breads is incorrect, the right phrase is 5 loaves of bread. And stop your study should be stop your studies. Understanding countability helps you avoid awkward phrasing. Thanks for being a part of this grammar journey. We've explored the nature and nuance of nouns, from types to tricky usage. Keep practicing, and you'll use them naturally and correctly. Grammar is not about memorizing rules, but about mastering clarity. See you in the next module.